And then down here below as well, we've also built this demo request content sort of page. And what you're able to do here is if you want people to jump into your demo with literally nothing, no username, no password, just click the link and drop in, you can do that. You can also collect some information. So we can take their first name and last name, and we're getting it ready to release some pretty cool analytics on how this can benefit your CRM and prospecting. But it's just this simple. You either, validate them with a magic link, which means they drop in and click and go on, or you can go deeper and ask them for username, first name, last name, etc. And again, all this can be branded with whatever the heck you want. And of course, we do have our own API webhook capability. So you can have someone come from a Marketo page to a LinkedIn deal, from a LinkedIn thing to a capture page, from a capture page to Demoforce. Demoforce will send the data to your CRM APIs from here to eternity. So let me show you what this looks like for the demo experience. This is pretty slick. So this is our throwaway box where we do all of our testing. You can see I literally call it internal sabotage. We're going to grab that link. So let's go grab internal sabotage here, and I'll throw it over into a different browser. So here we are, dropping that in there. Bitdefender, how do you want to see how this changes the world, et cetera, et cetera. I'll throw in my first name, last name, and I'm going to throw in my other email address. If I could type. Cool, and now we're just basically getting ready to start, dropping stuff in. But you can see right there.
Hi, I'm Dr. Chase Cunningham. Chase Cunningham, Dr. Zero Trust, if you're talking about podcasty stuff, but I'm also the co-founder of this really badass company called Demoforce. That's demo-force.com. We're cheap. We didn't get the Demoforce domain in one thing. Anyway, let's talk about why thought leadership.
And there I am. I'm done. I'm dropped into this machine. I've got 2 hours to play with it. I got my cool little video that could have been anything, but it was my big ugly head talking about Demoforce. And a couple other things that you might notice here too. 2 hours to play with it. If I have a question or chat and I want to talk to them, I love your software. All that stuff goes off and talks to the back end and does those things. So I can chat with them in real time, etc. And you know how this stuff works. But anyway, point being, didn't have to, no download, no installs, no configs, no passwords, no nothing.